it's your girl Kiki and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm doing a Walmart haul. We want to be baddies, but we have a budget. Like, I can't afford to be in Nordstrom, you know, in Saks Fifth Avenue, okay? All these bougie stores wearing designer all the time. Honestly, Fashion Nova be playing with their prices too. If you haven't seen my previous Walmart haul, go check it out. I found some really great items. Really, this haul is like fall inspired. So I know it's August, but fall is upon us. And to be honest, guys, like, fall is my favorite season. Like, fall clothes are everything. Boots, booties, cardigans. It looks like Walmart came out with their new fall collection. I'm not gonna lie with y'all, I found some cute items. Like, last time I did the Walmart haul, like, I found some cute items. This time, y'all, like, I am so hyped. Like, I'm about to be dripping, okay? Walmart was not playing games. I don't know if they got a new designer or what's going down. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also turn on the post notifications so you're notified every single time I post. And yeah, we can get right into the video.
Hey y'all, I am about to go to Wally World, okay? We about to go to one. My sister's here with me.
Lord, it's hot out here, guys.
It's hot.
You know, Lil Wayne, like Nevada in the middle of summer, this is what he meant. This is one where I saw Kaylin and Tyler from Team Emoji.
Oh yeah! This is annoying because I came here to buy clothes, but like I'm thinking of so much other stuff I need. Okay, so I want to see if I can find like some sunglasses. Like, on top of the clothes, I want to see if I can find some, you know, accessories, just because I have broken so many expensive bougie sunglasses and I have been struggling right now, so I'm gonna see also like what's good with the accessory. They have what? Oh, they have tequila tastings in Walmart?
Yeah. I mean, it looks like a taster.
We got these fanny packs, okay? Nothing has, you know, really jumped out at me yet. These umbrellas, $12, dang. I haven't owned an umbrella since I have lived back in Vegas. Aloha. This is cute. This is actually cute for like vacation. Fitting room, I'll be here soon. Tony the Tiger is here. Walmart is really lit. At this point, y'all need to come to Walmart for your shopping needs. They have, you know, tequila tastings. They have Tony the Tiger here for your children. Like, it's a good time.
Okay, so this is what I got from Walmart. I have 2 bags. Really excited for what I have in store. So the first item I have is this off-the-shoulder black dress. And when I first seen this dress in Walmart, I was like, this reminds me of the Kylie Jenner Fashion Nova dress. Hers is in a tan color. This one's black. This was $9.97, so not bad. I'm pretty sure the Fashion Nova one is at least like 20 something. Y'all. Okay, so this is the dress, y'all, and it speaks for itself, honestly. This dress speaks for itself. But yeah, let me give y'all a full, you know, catwalk, because apparently I don't show my items enough. But this is the dress. I am loving this. Like, y'all, they only had it in black, but y'all, if they had it in other colors, like, trust and believe I would be in every single color. Like, this is one of my favorite pieces I picked up. $9, y'all, Walmart, okay? Oh, I didn't see this. Why didn't y'all tell me my thing was hanging out? Come on, y'all, that's not nice. But yeah, this is it. Love the off-the-shoulder. I'm a total off-the-shoulder girl. Yeah. The next item I got is this green dress. And it honestly has the same buttons as this dress, but it's a little bit longer and it's like strapless. So this is the next dress. Y'all, like I told you, Walmart was showing out, okay? Walmart fall collection is on point. I don't know who was in the buying offices, but they did a good job. I like this one because it's a lot longer, so I can actually probably see myself wearing this one more. This is the dress, knee length. Let me do my full body, okay? So, full body. The material's really thick, so, or it's not really thick, but it's thick. So it would definitely, you know, keep you warm with some layers. And I'm feeling the color. I have some of this color, but I don't have like like a dress this color. So I'm loving this. I actually might be loving this more than the black dress now that I'm like at home trying everything on. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. What are y'all rooting for? What is it for you? Like, what is giving you vibe? The next item I got is another dress. This dress isn't, the other two dresses are fitted. This dress is more of a body, or it's more of like a loose, like casual dress. It's in this kind of same green color, but it's just kind of like a t-shirt dress. And this was $12.44. Okay, y'all, so this is the dress, and I'm not gonna lie with y'all, like when I first picked this up, I was like, okay, this looks very pajama-y, like this is not it. But I am like loving this dress, okay? It has pockets too, but this dress is giving me like all types of just like casual, relaxed. Like I would wear this to like brunch, or if I'm running errands, and it's just comfortable. Like it's comfortable, but it's still cute. If you're bloated that day, you can wear this because it's not all up hugging your stomach. Catwalk of this dress, okay? Full body, okay? Okay, so the next items I got from Walmart, I'm gonna try on together. But I got a pair of jeans just because I feel like I don't have a lot of jeans right now. So I got these jeans in this like blue color. I love these jeans, y'all. They were $7 jeans. They had them in a bunch of colors, but I just felt this color was the most fall vibe. And then I got two like just v-necks. Y'all know I'm the queen of v-necks. I'm good for some v-necks. Y'all will see me in them. So these v-necks were each $5, but I got this color, this like burnt orange color, and then I got this mustard yellow color. A lot of the stuff in Walmart was like either this green color, this mustard color, or the burnt orange color. Okay, y'all, so this screams fall. Like this is the most like fall outfit ever. Like this is definitely gonna be like a casual Friday outfit. But first off, these jeans are so freaking comfortable. Have the bottoms rolled up. Here, let me do this. This is how the jeans look full body. These jeans are so freaking comfortable. Like I just cannot get over how comfortable the jeans are. Honestly, for $7, I think I'm gonna go back and get some more colors. This is the yellow, the mustard shirt. Pretty much same thing, just a different color. I think the other color looks better on me, but they both look good. So the next thing I got is like a little, it's not a sweater and it's not a shirt. It's kind of like a mixture, but it's just this pink like shirt. It's like 3/4 length, very me. Like I don't know why, but I love shirts with this like arm length. This is the pink shirt. Like I said, it's nothing crazy, nothing special. It does have this like design here, but I don't know. I just think this will be a really good, cool shirt for fall. Definitely thick, so it's a good layering piece and it'll keep you warm. This will also probably look really cute with like a scarf and like some boots. Oh, my favorite combination. I mentioned the Walmart basics are everything. So I got a bunch of tank tops. I think these were like $3 for tank tops, and these are really, really good quality. I got an orange one. I got a navy blue one. I got a black one because I mean you can never have too many black tank tops. So I was like, I tried to get a white one, but they didn't have any more white ones. Like I was like, oh, they only have whites in like everything but my size. So I got this one. It says, I can't adult today. Adulting is hard. So, I mean, this was also $3. So these are cool to just lounge around the house or to layer with like cardigans and stuff. So I'm only gonna try one on. Okay, so this is the tank top. Super standard, normal tank top. Like I said, the material that they use for their like basics is so bomb. I feel like I'm wearing like a Saks Fifth Avenue tee, honestly. The last item I got was like my splurge item, the oh you got money item. It's this cardigan and it's kind of this tan color. This was $16, so you know this was the most expensive item I bought today. But it's like a full length long cardigan. It's really, really cute. Even though this is $16, like I feel like that's a good deal considering how thick the like this is keeping me warm. This is a jacket at this point. This is the cardigan. This is giving me fall vibes to the max. This is how long it goes. This is like the full body. It looks really cute with these jeans and this tank top. You can button it all the way up if you wanted to. I wonder how that would look. That probably would look like a dress. Okay, so I buttoned it all the way up and I took the jeans off. And now I'm wearing this as like a dress. So this is how it would look as a dress, like buttoned up. I'm pretty sure you can still button it up and wear like pants with it, just depending on the look you're going for. Okay, so those are all the items I have for you today. Let me know what you think of the items and let me know what your favorite item is in the comments. All of these items are like making me want to be fall and are giving me the best fall vibes. So super, super excited to start wearing them. Let me know what you think of Walmart and if you think you're gonna shop, like try and shop at Walmart after seeing this video, or if you've already been shopping at Walmart and you were already woke to how poppin' their clothing section is, okay? But yeah, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. Turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next video.